If you're wondering that does the Samsung Galaxy A37 have stereo speakers or not, so in this video I will answer this question. So the answer is yes, the Galaxy A37 has a stereo speaker setup. You have one speaker at the bottom of the phone and the other speaker is built in with the earpiece so you could get a stereo sound effect. Now to check the speakers on your Galaxy A37, first of all just open the phone app and from here just dial this *#0*#. And after you do that, you will enter the diagnostic section. And from here, you can check the hardware of your Samsung phone, including the speakers. Now, if I tap on this option once, it will play music both from the earpiece and from the bottom speaker. And if I tap on it twice, it will only play sound from the bottom speaker, and on the third time, it will only play music from the earpiece. As you can see, if I tap on it once, you'll hear music from both the bottom firing speaker and the top speaker. And if I tap on it one more time, it will only produce sound from the bottom speaker. And for the third time, it will play music from the top speaker. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.